What's up guys, I figured out I will make a quick video of unboxing and quickly reviewing this BOSCH EasyPump. At least they call it like that. It's just a cordless air pump for like blowing up your tires or blowing up a ball or an inflatable. And yeah, that's what's inside. So the device itself, a pouch, some adapters and a cable. Yeah, let's unbox it. So here we got a pouch on top with a nice logo. Nice to store something, I mean to store the device obviously, and don't scratch it up. Okay, then USB Type-C, very nice to see that with the new cable, not the micro USB. Okay, here's the device. What I can tell right away, it has a really good quality to it. It's really well made. As you can see, the buttons, the plastic itself is like high quality stuff. The printing, everything. The LCD is very bright and looks good. The cable is like braided, I guess you say, and it's pre-attached to the device itself, and you have the adapter for car tube right away here. Let's see what else here. Just instruction, which we don't need anyway. Yeah. Okay. So to use it, you simply turn it on and off on this red button. Then you set up the pressure you want to use and the units, which are bars, psi or kilopascals, I think. And if you want to use like psi, you set it up to like whichever you want, let's say 100, and then you press the start button. This is how it sounds. It works really well. You can tell by the sound it's a well-made device, and the quality of the compressor itself is really good. If you long press the unit button here, you will turn on the flashlight. It's not too bright, but it's enough, I guess, if you really need it. And I forgot to mention the pressure you set it up to. If you plug it into your tube or car tire, whatever, it will turn off automatically when it reaches that pressure. So, what else we got here is a little compartment area that is nicely built into this pump, where you have your like a needle for blowing up a ball, like a basketball or something like that, and an adapter for a bike tube. And this little thing, I don't know if it uses some not standard connection. Okay, I guess that's it for this. I will make a short comparison video with a other pump and see how much time it takes to blow a car tire. Okay, so for the test, I deflated this tire to 1 bar, and now I will set it up to spec, which is 2.4. Okay, and now I'll just press start and see how much time it takes. Okay, so it stopped pumping, but then it falls down to okay, now it's on spec 2.4 bar. It took about 12 minutes. I will see on the recording exactly how much it took, but take a note. The battery is almost dry, like it's 25% now, and the tube is super hot. Like I can't even touch it too long; it burns. For comparison, I will use a Volkswagen standard like air compressor that comes with most of the cars. I'm not sure how much time that was, but it's up to spec. I will check on the video and let you know. After reviewing the video, it took 13 minutes and 30 seconds to inflate the car tire. So in conclusion, I would say it's not like a car focused like a product, more like for bikes and some home use. Yeah, I guess you will have to know your needs for what you need it and if it fits your needs. And I guess I will review it like maybe 6 out of 10 because I feel like the only downside of the device is the battery is too small for it. If it would have like, I don't know, 10,000 milliamp hours, it would be great, but 3,000, you can see it's almost out of battery now after that one use, and it was fully charged. So that's my review of this device. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.